Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily switch accounts on your mobile device. Now, it doesn't matter if you have Android or Apple, I'm going to show you either way. Now, it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is grab your mobile device. Now, here you open up Roblox, and inside Roblox, what you want to do, you first come into the home section. Now, from out the home section, what you want to do, you want to go to more in the right corner of your screen, right there in the button. Now here you scroll all the way up till you see the switch accounts option. Now here simply press switch accounts, and as you can see I only have one account available. Now what you want to do, you want to press add account. Now here you can log into existing account if you already have a second account, for instance. But let's say you want to create a new one, you can simply press create new, and here you can sign up. Now once you signed up, it will be added from out there, and you can simply press the account once you go to switch accounts. Now, if you press add account and log into existing, what this will do, it will actually sign into your existing account and it will add it to the option that I've just showed you under switch account. Now, it's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.